So welcome to the channel, friends. Hi, this is Amit here from QuickBooks Learning for Beginners. Today we will be learning about how we can go and enter the check in QuickBooks Desktop directly to the register. We are not doing from the banking menu write checks window, but we are doing it from the chart of accounts. So let's go and open the chart of accounts here, and we can learn how we can do that. So there are multiple accounts which QuickBooks already have it. And you open the company file, so you can see the categories here. The type, under type column you have banks, accounts receivables, other assets, credit cards, accounts payables, other current liabilities. So these all are the type of banks which you have it in QuickBooks by default, where you can write a check. So let's go and, for example, if we go and open a bank register here, it's been opened now for the bank register. You can see their bottom here, you can enter the check. There are two columns showing up. One is a payment and one is deposits, and the other one is balance. So once we have the payment option here, if you want to write a check from bank and we want to enter that in QuickBooks, this is the column we can do that. Or otherwise, if there's a type of check is other one, or maybe the credit card entry we have to do, we can open the credit card and we can directly open the check register and do it from there. So let's close it here, and that's the other current liability account. Let's say if we go and double click on it, here we can do the here we can write the liability check inside the QuickBooks. So let's go back to the bank from where we are entering the check. So let's say we have American Express Bank here. That's our bank account. Let's say we are entering check here. So here we have to enter the today's date. We are doing it now. That's 19th. If you want to assign a check number to that, let's say 10 is the number we want to assign. We want to write a check which we want to enter that in QuickBooks. Pay would be the name of name where you have given the check to. It would be a vendor, let's say call gas and electric. So the vendor name is selected, and at the bottom you can see that the account. So it would be an expense account for utilities. You can see that for writing a check to, that would be an expense. You have to show that in the QuickBooks. So category we have selected is gas and electric. It has already selected the account once entering the name there for the vendor. Memo, you want to type a memo to that in QuickBooks. So let's say gas and electric is the memo we are entering, and it says payment is let's say $500 you have used, and I hit on tab. So when we click on tab, at the bottom you have a record tab. So once you have a record tab entered, maybe you can click on from there, or you can hit tab on your keyboard. So once you have a tab keyboard there, it will be enter. So it says, do you want to change the transactions? You can say yes to that. So you can see the tick sound coming up. So that seems that yes, you have already entered the. It shows minus balance because there is no opening balance there in the register. That's the reason. So if you enter an opening balance here under deposits, here it will be the minus sign will be deleted. So at the bottom you can see there are two options here. One is split and one is one line. So if I if I click on split, let's say if you want to split this amount into or this transaction into two parts, you can click on split, and here you can divide this into let's say 125 or 100 to this, and this account you want this to be hit. So you can mention there, and the memos and the same thing. So just close it. You don't want to split this transaction, and at the bottom you can see that's a one line. You check it. If you check it, the transaction will become into a one line where memo option is not showing up here, right? So if you uncheck it, you can see that it is giving you in details. So the memo box is highlighted here, and it's more clear. You can see that it's been showing up, and record also at the bottom. You can see there's a record tab. You can just click on record. It will record your transaction in the same way. So here, and the other way to enter the check is either you can go to the banking and receive payments, either you can go from there or you can go and write checks. So if you write a check here, it is let's go, and you can see the check which we wrote here, it comes up here. And let's say if I go want to go from there, from my check registered, this is the check registered bank account we have. Let's go and double click on it, and let's go and double click on the amount here at the right hand side. The same check will come up here. So there are two ways. Either you can go from there. Either you can go from the banking vendors menu and you can pay bills through check, or you can manually enter it from there, right? That's the options you have it. So the same goes with the other accounts. Let's go and close it. Maybe you have a savings account and you want to pay from the savings account. So these are some of the samples here, where you have all the deposits there. So deposit is the sample which you can give, which has the right column, you have it there. And these are the deposits which has already entered. So we don't have the deposit entered there. That's the reason it's the balance is in minus. So that's how we have learned, like how we can go and enter the check directly to the bank account. Apart from that, there's an important update going on where you can avail heavy discount which Intuit has launched with the Black Friday sale, where if you want to if you would like to opt for the QuickBooks Online service, you will be getting a 70% discount for the 3 months subscription, and 1 month would be the free, right? For the first 3 months, that would be a 70% discount, and 1 month would be the free. That means you will avail a total of 4 months, and the 70% discount would be there. I will mention the link in the description itself, where if you want to like avail the service, if you want to get the discount on that, you can just sign up, and you can use the QuickBooks Online. So the method would be the same with the online as well. We will create more videos on the online as well. So that's all we have it here. Please subscribe the channel, and please like, and if you like the video, and thank you very much. You have a wonderful day. Take care.